my video. This is Monday. Welcome to my vlog, day Monday. It is the 20-something of January. You will see it on the screen anyway, so it doesn't really matter if I know or not. So, this morning all I did was clean. You will see my clean with me video. Videos either already up or hasn't been up yet. Not sure. This camera's so heavy. I am dying right now. Me and Natalie came out here and did a photo shoot. And we took Matt out here and he's been digging, so that's fun. Broke. And his shovel broke. So Matt's out here digging, right? And yeah, that happens. And he just stepped on my toes and made it really dirty. Yeah, you literally just stepped on my toes, so that's gross.
And this is my shovel.
That's his shovel.
And it used to be like a round. Look, it's a leaf.
So we just got done with our photo shoot, and as we're out here doing it, I'm looking and I hear a lot of commotion, and it looks like it's coming from this direction. And then I look at that. Look at them big old suckers right there. So apparently they are tearing a building out and they're going to be placing a new building there. And I'm not really sure what it is. I can't remember. But yeah, it's really loud and it's really annoying. Well, Matt wants to play tag. And he's about to get tagged. Wait, my shoe fell off. Matt, you're too far. Oh my god. Guys, I just fell. Oh. Oh my god. Look where I just oh, my shoes are so destroyed. So this is what happens when I fell in mud and I said, Matt, come inside. And he runs away. First of all, y'all, we got a major problem because our room is a mess. So this is the aftermath. This is my butt. Oh my god, my sandal. But yeah, it's all over my hands. Okay, so I just changed my pants and now they like look regular. They're just not dirty. It's just some, yeah. And I'm gonna clean my room because, Natalie called me out the other day and said that she always put the totes back up when she gets her pants out. These are not me. I did not do that. Okay, so I am over right now. I'm going to organize my desk. I have everything on the floor that was on the desk. So now I'm going to organize the desk. Sorry that it's a little like yellow. Don't really have natural lighting right here. So this is what I did. It's still kind of weird lighting, so sorry about that. But this is what I did. Let me look at right. This picture is gonna stay here. It's the picture of me and Natalie, and it's just on the radio, and we don't ever use the CD except like occasionally. Then I just put all the photos back where they were. I moved the nail polish to right there. It wasn't there last time. Coworkers here. Candle, little smelly. Yeah, and then perfumes. And this box is just like, I'll show you. This is what is in this box. It's kind of like random things. We have room spray. Also, sorry it's not focusing. Oh, it's because I have all the photos. Room spray, scissors, color pencils, journal. Yeah. So now I just have to clean this mess up, and then a whole bunch of dirt I just have to sweep. I cleaned off my bed, so now the bed is all clean. So I cleaned that too. Closet's clean. That's dirty. But now everything looks really, really organized, way more organized than it was, and it just looks better. So yeah, I'll get back with you when I finish the rest of the room. This is Natalie's bed. I have her two covers on her bed, a bunch of her stuff right here. She can do whatever she wants to do with it. And then here is Matthew's bed. I pushed all of his pillows back and made them more neat and organized. I left his little journal so he can color in it, and him an extra cover as well. This is my bed. I just have my huge cover on mine, my pillows, and that's literally it. Hey guys,
So, hey guys. Oh, let me move that. Are you kidding me? How it really? This happened. I cut my hair. Oh no. I like it. I like it a lot more than I thought I would. Like, it's cute. Hey guys, so I'm gonna start getting ready for church. Literally I have no clue what to wear. I was thinking maybe this dress. Gracie's gonna kill me when she sees this video and sees that I just did that. Oh no, what's that? Oh, it's just a little stain, it's fine. So maybe this dress. I haven't worn it in a while, that kinda gets on my nerves. What is that? Could also wear, I don't know. I have a bunch of options, so it's not like I don't have any clothes. I could wear the one I have on right now, but it doesn't really match my headband, which, sweet tree stay.
Okay, oh, that is not where I wanted that. Okay, so I recorded this, but it didn't really turn out right, and I had a double chin the whole entire time. So, we're going to try to not have a double chin the whole entire time. I wanted to sit down and talk to you guys because I wanted to let you know that I'm feeling better and I'm not as sick as not as sick as I used to be, but I'm still a little sick, just not as much. Also, I'm going to be starting my own business soon, so make sure to watch out for videos for that so you will know what the business is. I wasn't really actually going to vlog today. I was going to upload another video today, but I just never make the video. Yes. So today, story time. Sorry for background noises too. This was today, literally today. My dog is deathly afraid of guitar, and I play guitar. Yeah, look at that. So we actually got the dog before I started playing guitar, and then we started playing guitar, and figured out she was deathly afraid of it. I say deathly, but I think it's deadly. Deadly afraid? Not really. She's not gonna kill herself. Hopefully not. But this did happen today. My dad was using my guitar and he wasn't really playing it. He was kind of just like strumming it. And Natalie had the guitar, or not the guitar. Natalie had the dog, and the dog was running away. She was like so scared she was running away. So Natalie picked her up and was kind of messing with her and kind of like pushing her closer to the guitar. And the dog peed on the guitar. She peed on me, peed on my dad, peed on the guitar. Because Natalie was holding her this way, like where her body would be facing you, but she literally, she peed on all of us because she was so scared of the guitar, and that makes me so sad. She's actually done that one other time. I didn't know about it. Nobody knew about it but my brother, and he was like, he told us. I didn't even know about it. Nobody else knew about it but him. Yeah, so that happened. After that, me and Allie went outside to do our photo shoot, and if you would like to see that, it will be Thursday. Just kidding. No. Just kidding. That video will be up. Okay, on my schedule, I'm going to show you what's on my schedule. Okay, so, Monday is supposed to be my Saturday vlog, which I did. I uploaded my Saturday vlog yesterday. I'm supposed to upload a King Josiah video and a vlog Monday, Tuesday, then vlog Tuesday on Wednesday, and the common questions asked by baby Christians, but I actually uploaded that Monday. And then Thursday, I'm supposed to upload vlog Wednesday. So, okay, so I already have one for February. I have this Friday, I'm going to upload our photo shoot. And then Saturday, it's going to be a deep cleaning of my entire house video. Because, believe it or not, I did that today and it was very hard. These were out of whack, so now they're fixed. So, these are videos to come. So, vlog Monday comes up Tuesday. Vlog Tuesday comes up Monday. Vlog Wednesday comes up Thursday. And then, photo shoot. I don't know what video for Saturday. Might be the cleaning my bedroom if you guys want it. Or it might be a vlog. Okay. Okay, so I was actually in focus and I didn't know. we're gonna come over here. Okay. I forgot what I was talking about. Videos. Yes, me and Natalie recorded a video. Actually recorded 3 videos today. So I have vlogs this week. And then 2 non-vlogs next week. And vlogs next week. Might post twice a day on some days, not sure yet. Tell me if you would like to see me cleaning my room, like a deep clean, because I did that, but I never posted it. So if you want to see me deep clean my bedroom, let me know. I will probably post it. But I know you've seen me clean my room in other videos, but this is like before my closet looks like what it looks like now. So yeah, this is when my closet looked bad. Before I had totes in my closet. It's when I had dressers under my bed. Like, I'm telling y'all, it was bad. So let me know if you want to see that video. Like, tell me in the comments. I mean, if nobody comments, then I'm not gonna upload it. So if you want to see it, even if one person wants to see it, I'll upload it, because I don't really know why I never uploaded it. It's because it was before I started vlogging every day when I made the video. So I'm a little like, hey guys, this is my Grace, and today in this video we are going to be cleaning my room. And yeah, it was like that. So maybe a little cringe, might refilm the intro, but if you want to see it, let me know. I still feel like I do that in my videos, and I'm trying not to. I'm trying to be so real, relatable teen. So it is supposed to snow tonight, and we were supposed to get 5 inches. Now they're saying 3 inches, but I hope it's 5 inches, because we have not. I don't think I've ever experienced 5 inches of snow. And if you're watching this somewhere where it snows a lot, I am very jealous because it rarely snows in the valley. Yeah. I am going to be starting my own business soon, so stay in tune for that, because I'll be making announcements for it. I'm actually going to start my business in May. So that's going to be exciting. I may start it sooner, but it's probably going to be May because I have to get my business license. So that's going to be exciting. If you have any requests for videos, leave them in the comments, because then I'll know what you guys want to see. Keep liking if you like my vlogs, because then I'll just make more vlogs. And whatever I get more likes on, I'll keep making more of those videos. If you haven't checked out my answering common questions from Christian's video, if you haven't seen my answering common questions, the question of the day is, do you like snow or do you not like snow? I love snow. I like snow. I prefer thunder and rain, but I do like snow. So I will see you guys in my next video, and love God, love people, and bye guys.
Missing someone.